Between 2012 and 2017, we've experienced a growth in workforce of 69%. That would be in absolute numbers 100 jobs, and that includes our acquisition in 2016. In 2017 alone, we've created 28 jobs. We expect this trend to continue in 2018. As we grow, we are committed to dedicating more resources to ensure that the growth momentum is sustained well into the future. We actively pursue talent across the globe to stay on track with our goals. We believe that our investment in our people has been and will be the key driver in our productivity and our future growth. We've grown from a small company to a global company with operations in 10 countries. The people, the exciting workplace culture, the low turnover, it's just a fun place to be.